So we just got back to the cabin. I ended up doing a little bit of an alignment on my truck, and look who decided to show up. What you doing there, bud?
Waiting for you. Ready to go wheel?
Hell yeah.
Let's go wheel.
We're gonna go hit some more trails. All right, so we're cruising down. Basically, it's kind of like a fire road, nice and easy and chill. There should be a couple good trails off of here, but I know for sure there's one. We're gonna go try to find it. We kind of just like wing shit whenever we're with Nick and friends. So anyway, we're gonna get back to it once we get to something good. It's kind of fun though. Mobbing a little bit. Bud? Good. Do you do good? Yeah. Did I just rip ass and now you hate me?
We must have had a gas leak.
Yeah, we had a gas leak.
We had a gas leak.
It was my ass. I fixed it. It's fine.
I didn't know this thing ran off methane.
So anyway, we're doing what's this called? Clark Creek Trail or something?
Yeah, Clark Creek.
Clark Creek Trail. Clark something trail.
It's Clark's
Said it was a
Trail.
black diamond. It's actually kind of nice. It's kind of like, look at this. Hold on, I'll show you some of that.
There's a big drop.
It is absolutely gorgeous up here. You guys got to come check this shit out. You having fun, bud?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
A little bit.
A little bit. Yep. So it's kind of nice. It's got a couple little sections, nothing too crazy, and then yeah. Nothing too crazy so far, but we'll see how it develops. Just kind of cruising on through, but that view, man, that view is not gonna get old. So awesome.
Price on that thing.
Yeah, you can't put a price on that view. That's why we come up here, enjoy nature. So much nature.
Hey, Chitty Jake Bang Bang loved us too. And our rock. Holy balls.
We're good. It's just a rock. Go nice and easy past the rock. Hi, friend.
Hey, bud. Just chilling. Oh, there's friends back there. Yeah. Lean with it, rock with it, lean with it, gas pedal, gas pedal.
Gas pedals, gas pedals.
So you learn how to drive. Yeah.
This is first time I've ever driven a stick.
First time, eh?
Uh-huh.
I remember this thing was an automatic.
Yeah, that happened.
Yeah, that happened. That was not there before.
That was, yeah, look.
Well, where did that go?
What happened here?
Who did this?
It's great.
Yeah.
Absolutely great. I love this rig. She's been like honestly there for me. Hold on, wait. We gotta do this. Okay, back to reality. Okay, so no, she's been like honestly, this truck. She's my ride or die. I've had a lot go on in my life, and for some reason, no matter how mean I am to it, it's always been there for me. It's never stranded. I've always been able to get it going again.
Get you out of that bad situation.
Get me out of that bad situation, Susie.
Yeah, she's
okay.
doing good.
She's doing good. Right now, all the gauges are working.
Yeah, they're working.
They're actually all working, which is very, very rare. So I'm taking that and just loving it.
Let it be.
Fantastic. Just don't touch anything. Don't worry, that oil gauge is just gonna peg, and then the gas gauge will stop working, and the temp gauge actually is pretty consistent. But like I was saying before in the last part one of this poor truck is not designed to do what I'm doing. It's actually like I built it so it can go fast. I mean, not fast, but like faster. And this is like not. It doesn't excel at this terrain, but it can do it kind of. I usually brake it, but it's okay. Like, you just kind of keep doing it. See, the guy behind us, he's got 37s and 3/4 ton axles, and it just does great.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And Humvee beadlocks.
And Humvee beadlocks, yeah. Those 37s are military Humvee beadlocks.
Yeah, 140 pounds each.
It's so heavy. It's so stupid, but awesome. Anyway, he's doing great back there.
At least we know this is a Black Diamond this time.
Yeah, actually, we do know. Hey, how you doing back there, bud?
Peachy.
Just peachy? You having fun there, buddy?
Yeah, dude, I'm not at home and I'm off-roading. I'm great.
I love it. Same here. Definitely not at home. Definitely off-road. Oh my God, that view is so beautiful. What do you think, bud?
It's pretty pretty.
It's pretty pretty?
Pretty pretty.
It's so nice.
Mighty pretty.
I love it up here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why you gotta be so damn noisy? Yeah, I know. You're like little children. Hey, bud.
Hey, friend.
What are you up to?
Well, you know, just kicking it. There's a huge bug in here.
I know there's a huge fucking bug. There it is.
Friend, go.
There it is.
Bug, go. Bug,
Get.
No, go. Go and get.
It listened.
Yep.
All right. So we're coming up on dusk. Sun's setting behind the mountain. Still cruising. Trail's actually kind of long. We're going down, which is kind of nice instead of the wicked stuff we were doing earlier today. so stupid. So stupid. Anyway, we're here having fun.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no. Just doing some wheeling. Probably can't even see us in here. Oh, you can see that. Yeah, these lights are actually pretty good considering they're incandescents. Trying to keep it old school. No, we're good. So good.
Should have brought a kidney belt.
Oh, yeah. Susie's kind of a wild ride.
It's a big brick.
She's a big purple brick.
I wouldn't take her any other way. She's a good girl. Oh, I can still see you.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's not
actually.
too dark.
It's actually pretty impressive.
Yeah. With all these dang phones that cost like $1,000, so.
I know, right? They call this a black diamond, and
Yeah, this is adorable.
this is adorable. We're moving. Kind of wiggly.
Bob and weave, bob and weave.
Bob and weave,
Bob and weave.
boys.
Ah, at this angle, look at this sweet hood vents.
Oh yeah, those are
Oh,
neat.
she's breathing.
Keep it real nice. Yeah, going downhill it doesn't overheat.
Yeah,
Kinda nice.
Look, you're just doing good stuff.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, that one.
we had a temporary. That one likes to do its
That
own
one
thing.
does its own thing, but this one is legit. That one kind of is suggestive.
Yeah, it's like just take it with a grain of salt. Bye-bye.
Yep. Sun's going away, doing a little bit of night wheeling. It's awesome.
What you do?
Oh, I'm just driving.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
doing some
Oh,
driving.
you know.
Oh yeah.
Just a
You
light
know.
little drive.
No, I'm just, you know,
Just a putt down the road.
just putting down the road, going out for, for a rip.
Yeah, MapQuest took us a
Yeah,
crazy
yeah,
route.
this is not the way to Ralph's.
Yeah.
This is definitely the wrong way.
All I needed was paper towels.
I just needed some paper
I
towels.
just needed paper towels. And a Yoo-hoo.
paper towels and a Yoo-hoo.
Paper towels and a Yoo-hoo. Only because I spilled my last Yoo-hoo. That's why I need the paper towels.
God, it's so good.
Oh, look at the Lonely Rock.
Friend. Do you want to run into it?
Hey, is that the Black Diamond?
Is that the black diamond?
Oh my
Hold
God,
on, we're gonna run
we found
over
the
it.
black diamond.
We're gonna run into it.
Oh
Just
God.
gonna push it.
Here it goes. Here's the intense. I found it. Oh, There's noise.
That's fine. I just
Oops.
hitting the axle. It's fine.
It's okay.
I just black diamond. You
Yeah,
gotta
black
have
diamond.
some type of scrapage.
Yeah, we just made the black
We just
diamond
made
right
it
there.
a black diamond.
Yeah.
There you go. Yep.
Yeah, done deal.
Hit the control arm. Hit the rear axle.
Yeah, scratched everything.
Black diamond.
Yep.
Done.
We're running off the 2 wheels now. Oh, and there's the last of the beautiful view. Mountain ranges forever. Can't beat that. Only 120 miles away from home. Pretty lucky.
I know, right? It's so close. So close. I gotta love living here. Don't worry about that noise. Let's just see what kind of does that.
It's just touching things.
It's just hey friends. It's trying
Just
to
letting us know there's trees above us.
Now we're gonna dip into this because it's fun.
There's Tim's gonna touch a tree for us. There it is.
Hey, there's a tree above us.
There's a tree above us.
That's all that's telling us.
Just so you know. It's taking samples. That's a pine.
It's taking
Samples.
Oh my god, I love it. Yeah, no, not at all. Not time to use the snorkel at all. It's kind of cute.
No, this is definitely a snorkel time
It's
right
a
here.
creek. We got a little baby creek. You see a little baby creek? Little baby creek.
Baby creek.
It's a crick. It's a crack.
It's a little creek.
It's a little crack. Get that. Oh.
We're going in.
Oh my god. I don't know if we can do this. Can we do it? Can we do this?
Oh, it's pretty gnarly.
It's pretty deep.
We're submerged.
We're underwater.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. It's oh my god.
Oh man. Woo.
Woo!
There we go.
Man, lucky we had that snorkel.
Oh, good old,
Wouldn't have
good
made
old
that
trusty
shit.
snorkel right there.
Damn.
Oh. Wow, this is actually a lot more technical than it was earlier.
I think I found the black diamond. Hold on, wait. Yeah, I mean, are we?
I don't know. I don't know how gnarly it gets.
I don't know either.
We didn't go this way last time.
No, we didn't.
You want to turn around?
I don't know. Do you want to try it?
I don't know.
I was just gonna start cruising down it and see how bad it is.
Yeah, but we don't have a turnaround spot if we start cruising down it. And there's
You have a winch. Wait for me to be stupid. Okay.
There's big sticks. I don't want to puncture the tire. This is washed out like gnarly.
Let's walk it a little bit. Come on. Let's walk it.
And it's sand.
Yeah.
It is huge. Oh, yeah. It's got washed out.
Oh my god, yeah, this is from the rains, dude.
Oh, we're not doing that.
Why not?
You're going to get stuck.
No, you just have to stay up on the right side. Oh my god.
No, we're not doing it.
Oh my
Turning
god.
around. I'm sorry, we're turning around. That's where we get body damage on doors.
Yeah, so the what?
I don't want to hit my doors.
Dude, it's just this little up spot. Hold on, you cruise through it, and then you go up here, and then the rest of the contrail is legit.
In theory.
Yeah, you hope. And then we have to turn around. We turn around. Hold on.
There's no turnaround spots here.
Yeah, but bro, we got this. There's like coyote poop. A little further, and then we're gonna make our decision. I think we got this. Yeah, and then it just turns legit.
Nuts. Hucky's really wide.
Yeah, you are. Hold on. Yeah. It's up to you. I am narrow. You know what I mean?
You're narrow, I'm not.
I know you're not.
And there's a lot of trees, and I really don't want to get a flat tire on it.
Hey, you know what?
I feel like it's a bad idea.
Yeah, it is a really bad idea. We're not going to do it.
I don't
All right.
want
Wow. Yeah, this is pretty deep, bud.
to- And this is, I would have to ride up there.
You wouldn't. Oh, yeah, you don't fit between here. I do.
I wouldn't fit between here.
Okay. We're going to go back up. Nice, easy. Nice, easy, chill. It's okay. We got this. Just a little taste. Man. Well, that was it. What an awesome day. We're back at the cam bed now. Had a lot of fun out here. Big Bear has a lot of really awesome trails. Trail I was trying to make it up to, John Bull. It's actually it's comparable to Rubicon. I knew I probably wouldn't have been able to make it, but at least make it there. and check it out and show you guys and kind of show you what this terrain up here has to offer. It's actually really awesome. People might even take it for granted, but it's serious stuff. It's pretty good and a lot of fun. Had a lot of fun today out with the guys and just hitting those trails. So anyways, I made it. Susie made it. It was an adventure. Till next time, signing out.